bringing you the news and information you need from the people making a difference. This is Comcast NewsMakers.
Hello and thanks for joining us. I'm Laurel Hess and this is Comcast NewsMakers. Our topic today is investment fraud. Here to discuss it with us is the Director of Consumer Fraud Prevention Project of Elder Law of Michigan, Ron Tatro. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
So much investment fraud, Ponzi schemes, whatever form it comes in, has been in the news lately. Many of us sort of just watching from the sidelines thinking, well, I haven't invested millions lately. I don't need to worry about this. But do we, you, I, the average guy who's maybe got a few $1,000s tucked away and they're looking to invest more, should we be worried about potential investment fraud?
Most certainly. You know, one of the things that we know about the fraudsters and the tipsters and all those people that are involved in these is that they're very well-spoken and well-dressed folks who come to consumers under a lot of different guises. Sometimes they come under the guises of being financial advisors. And while there's many, many people out there that are very respectable in what they do, there's also people that take advantage of those titles. And in today's economic climate, no one is safe. These people are targeting anybody, even people with little amounts of money, and it could be, nurses and truck drivers and whoever.
How can we protect ourselves? Is there a red flag that goes up, and when? What should you be looking out for?
Well, probably the first thing that we as consumers should do when we talk about investments is that we need to verify who the salesperson is and the product that they are selling. Here in the state of Michigan, as in many states, those vendors and their products do need to be registered. And probably the thing that we can first do as consumers is that we can contact the State Office of Insurance and Financial Regulation. They have a toll-free number. That number is 1-877-999-6442.
Pack that away in your back pocket.
Pack it away. Or if you want to go to the internet, you can also go to a website called saveandinvest.org. And what you can do there is that you can actually check on the credentials of someone who is selling you a product, as well as you can check on the validity of the product that they're doing.
Are there certain people who are more susceptible? If you have a lot of money, if you have a little bit of money, if you are of a certain ethnic background, are you more susceptible than someone else?
No, not really. And there's several reasons for that. First of all, these schemers and scammers that are out there doing that really are as diverse as the societies that they're approaching. So they will approach people from all ages and all economic ranges and all cultural backgrounds. I think the one thing that we really want consumers to remember is that given the right pitch by the right person under the right set of circumstances, each and every one of us has the potential to become a fraud victim.
So don't be embarrassed if you think you are becoming or have become one.
That's exactly right. The only way to stop these guys and gals is to, in fact, report them. But even before that, it's not to become involved with them. It's very difficult. These people are very sophisticated. It's very hard to, quote, match wits with them. Not something we encourage consumers to do. But rather, before you put your hard-earned money down, verify that, in fact, you're dealing with a legitimate product and a legitimate person.
Is the old adage still true? If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. If you have to call and give an answer in 30 seconds or 30 minutes, it's probably not on the up and up.
That's exactly right. That adage is very true, and we even see it more so today. One of the things that they really try to promote is for you to make a decision without having a time to research it or have a time to talk to a family member or a professional to find out what to do. Very, very common ploy.
So make sure you do your research and make sure that if it sounds too good to be true, you talk to a whole lot of people before you jump into it.
That is correct.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
For more information on today's topic, you can visit elderslaw.org. Today's Comcast Newsmaker was Ron Tatro, the Director of the Consumer Fraud Prevention Project of Elder Law of Michigan.